Hi, my name is Amber. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the ZClassic Electrum Wallet on a Mac. February 28th is the snapshot date for ZClassic and Bitcoin to be forked into BitcoinPrivate. The actual block when the snapshot will take place has not been announced yet. If during the snapshot you hold one ZClassic, then you will keep your one ZClassic and also get one BitcoinPrivate, and the same with Bitcoin. If you hold one Bitcoin, you will keep your one Bitcoin and also get one BitcoinPrivate. The hard fork will take place a couple of days after the snapshot. Since it's still unclear which exchanges are going to support BitcoinPrivate after the fork, you'll want to move your ZClassic to one of the recommended wallets and leave it there until after the snapshot. To install the ZClassic Electrum Wallet, the first thing we're going to do is go to ZClassic's website, zclassic.org, and then you can either go to Get Started and go down to the wallets. I'm doing it on a Mac, so I'll click on Apple, or you can just scroll down to the wallets. So we're going to do the Electrum wallet today, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this takes us to the GitHub repository for BitcoinPrivate. And we're going to do this one right here for Mac OS X. So I'm just going to click on that. And it's downloading. Now that it's finished downloading, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And there it is. I'm going to double click on that. And double click again. Okay, so our Mac is trying to protect us and it's not letting us open that, but we can get around that by either right-clicking or control-click and then clicking open. Okay, now we have the option to open this, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're just going to go ahead and auto-connect, and it's asking us to name our wallet. I'm just going to go ahead with default wallet and click next. And we're going to do a standard wallet, and we're going to create a new seed. So go ahead and click next. The only option is standard, hit next. Alright, so this is our seed. This is what you would use to recover your wallet if you lost access to it. And it's asking us to write these 12 words down on paper, and the order is important. It says not to disclose your seed, never type it on a website, do not store it electronically. So don't just copy and paste this somewhere. You want to write it down and keep it somewhere safe. So I'm going to go ahead and write mine down now. Alright, and then once you've written it down, go ahead and click next. And then it's asking for me to type the seed in to make sure that I wrote it down correctly. Click next. And now you're going to choose a password. This is what you're going to use to access your wallet on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to choose a strong password. You might want to write this down somewhere as well. And this is going to encrypt my wallet. Definitely recommend encrypting it with a password, and click next once you have that. Now it's generating our addresses. And there we are. We have the ZClassic Electrum Wallet installed. Our balance is 0 ZClassic. And that's how you install the ZClassic Electrum Wallet on a Mac. In the next video, I'll show you how to import private keys into that wallet. See you then!